Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve x power 12 plus x power 8 is equals to 80 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So x power 12 we can write it as x power 4 power 3 plus x power 8 as x power 4 power 2 is equals to 80. Now I am taking a substitution, so we can write x power 4 as small s. So s cube plus s square is equals to 80. S cube plus s square minus 80 is equals to 0. So s cube plus s square 80 we can write it as 4 cube times 4 square. So it becomes minus 4 cube plus 4 square is equals to 0. So s cube minus 4 cube plus s square minus 4 square is equals to 0. So here now I am going to use very two famous formulas, that is a cube minus b cube, which is equals to a minus b in bracket a square plus b square plus ab, and a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b, a minus b. Now in first, where a is s and b is 4, so we can write as s minus 4 in bracket s square plus 4 square is 16 plus 4s plus a plus b, a minus b. So s minus 4, s plus 4. So if I take s minus 4 as common, what is left? S square plus 16 plus 4s plus s plus 4. So s minus 4, s square, 4s plus s is 5s plus 16 plus 4 is 20. Now we have two roots, either s minus 4 is equals to 0, the value of s is 4, and here s square plus 5s plus 20 is equals to 0. Now it looks like a quadratic equation, so we can do the middle term split or use the quadratic formula as well. So the quadratic formula is s is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a, where a is coefficient of s, b is coefficient, a is coefficient of s square, b is coefficient of s, and c is the constant 20. So minus 5 plus minus under root 5 square minus 4 times 1 times 20 by 2 times 1. So negative 5 plus minus under root 25 minus 80 by 2. So negative 5 plus minus under root 55 by 2. So this gives us negative answer. So we reject this case. So s is equals to 4 is the only root that can exist. So when s is equals to 4, we already know we take a substitution. So x power 4 is equals to 4. So I am going to multiply with power 1 by 4 both sides. So x is equals to 4 power 1 by 4. X is equals to 2 square whole power 1 by 4. X is equals to 2 times 1 by 4. So x is equals to 2 power 1 by 2 or square root of 2. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.